Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share my review on O3 Plus Seaweed Facial Kit. This product costs around 4,370 rupees. I have purchased this product a year ago. Its shelf life is 36 months. This O3 Seaweed Facial Kit is meant for acne-prone skin. It also claims to give a tan, clean skin. You can see the claims of this product here. It helps clear and prevent acne, blemishes and tan. It works on all kind of acne, effective on normal and oily skin type. This product comes in this type of cardboard packaging. Inside it has 5 items. This facial is of 5 steps. They have given it on the package. First is cleanse, then tone, massage, prepare and repair. Let's see one by one. The first step is Seaweed Purifying Cleansing Gel. This comes in a beautiful packaging. It has a pump tube. You can easily take the product off. Cleanser is transparent in color and is of gel type. They have also given the ingredients and claims on the back side. This O3 Plus Seaweed Cleanser comprises of the peeling action of brackish water that helps in enhancing completion and eliminating impurities while retaining moisture level. So these are the claims of this cleanser. This cleanser produces foam kind of thing. Just massage this cleanser on your face for 2 to 3 minutes and wipe it off with cotton or tissue. The second step is toning. For this they have given Seaweed Purifying Tonic. This O3 Plus Seaweed Tonic oxygenates skin tissues while improving the circulation and skin tone. Moreover, it leaves the skin soft, hydrated, as it helps reducing pores and controlling excess oil. So these are the claims of this toner. It also has a pump tube. Just spray this product on your skin after cleansing. This toner has runny consistency. All these products smell like a light perfume. After toning your face, the next step is massage. So this one is a Seaweed Purifying Massage Cream. It has ingredients for smoother, younger facial skin. It comes in a tub packaging with a silver color cap. Inside it also has this kind of plastic plate. As you can see, this massage cream is light blue in color. This massage cream is very light and has smooth consistency. Take adequate amount of this massage cream and massage it for 5 to 10 minutes on your skin. It absorbs into your skin very fast. Very less amount of product is required. Your skin feels very smooth and oily while massaging with this cream. As you can see, it feels like a soft butter. It immediately melts into your skin. It is really very easy to massage with this cream. Massage in circular motion for 5 to 10 minutes. After massaging with this cream, wipe it off with a wet towel. Now continue to the next step. This one is Seaweed Purifying Mask. It also comes in tub packaging. This mask is in light grey blue color. It has thick consistency. Apply this mask evenly on your face and neck. Leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wipe it off with wet towel or rinse it off with cold water. Now continue to the last step. That is serum. This one is Seaweed Acne Control Serum. The Seaweed Serum has beneficial effects of cellular repair and oil control, which helps in keeping the skin clean and clear. It is a wonderful product for controlling acne without leaving a scar. So this is a claim of this serum. Apply this serum all over your face and neck. The serum has light sticky consistency. It blends into your skin very well. It also has a nice fragrance. After applying, lay this serum on your face. So these are the 5 steps of this facial. I have used this facial kit for 7 or 8 times. This product really lasts long. It lasts up to 20 uses. If you use more product, then it will last for 13 or 14 uses. After doing facial with this product, my skin feels very soft and smooth. I have also noticed a nice glow on my skin. For acne-prone people, it is really difficult to find a facial kit. Many facial kits causes pimples because of its ingredients, which helps to make your skin smooth and soft. But this facial kit is specially meant for acne-prone people. It does not cause any breakouts and also help you to get an even skin tone. After using it for many times, you can find a difference in your skin. Maybe your blemishes also get vanished in some uses. Overall, this one is a really good facial kit, and also the price is reasonable because you can use it many times. This product is most suitable for normal and oily skin people. Even combination skin people can try this one, but in some areas you may feel a little dry. Other than that, everything is fine about this product. Hope you guys find this review helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.